Unit 5, creating and managing table. Insert table. To insert the table, we go to the Insert tab and Table. Here you can select rows and columns. How many rows do you want? How many columns do you want? From here you can select. To write text inside a cell, just simply click inside that cell and start typing. Writing here, table. To go to next cell, you have to press tab key in your keyboard. Press tab 1, then tab 2. When you want to come down to down cell, you have to press arrow down key in your keyboard. To add or remove any cell, any column, any row, you just click inside the cell and here you see delete cell. One more way we have, from menu, you go to layout menu and menu bar. Here at the left you see delete. You press the drop down and you have 4 options to carry your task. Delete cell, column or row or anything. Here you see again you have those 4 options. You can shift that cell and you can delete that cell, but for deleting you have to delete the entire row or the entire column. You cannot delete a single cell, but you can shift your cell to anywhere in the table. Next is insert above, insert below, left, right. They're talking about row and column. Here you click anywhere. Right in left above or left mean wherever your cursor's position is, it will work respect to the. We have added some text to a cell, but that doesn't look good. Here we have autofit option. In autofit option we can autofit the table to the page, and we can also autofit it to content. First let's press content, that the entire content came in a row that look good, and the row size the cell size increases. Next we autofit it to window or the page. We can also hold the line and drag it any side we want to fit our column, or to fit this work to column to fit the cell. Align text inside a cell. To align text inside a cell, just click inside that cell and go to align, and here you can align from left, right, center, center left, center center, center right, and also the same for below. And here is the direction of the text and cell margin. Cell margin seems like the page margin. One more thing and last thing is to repeat the header row and table in each page. It works for when you are having a large table and you want your header row to repeat it. Just select the entire row and come here to repeat header row and click it on, and your header row will be repeated in every page.